Hello people, welcome to Shifting Gears, and finally I have with me the Triumph Trident 660. It has been a long wait and I was super duper excited to sample this motorcycle. इस बाइक की कीमत शुरू होती है from ₹6,95,000 ex showroom here in the Indian market. The competition for this motorcycle is the Kawasaki Z650 at the lower end, and at the more expensive end you have the Honda CB650R. So this bike is quite ideally priced and it is quite well equipped as well. इस मोटरसाइकिल के लिए हमने एक अलग से राइड वीडियो अपलोड किया है where we tell you everything that you need to know about the engine, performance, gearbox, ride and handling so that you can make an informed motorcycle purchase decision. Because if this is going to be your first big bike, you need to know how it is going to deliver that power to you. इस वीडियो में हम फोकस करने वाले हैं about the design, about the comfort, the ergonomics and the features that you are getting with this Triumph Trident 660. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, ये मोटरसाइकिल आपके लिए एक नियो रेट्रो डिज़ाइन थीम लेके आ रही है एंड इट लुक्स क्वाइट गुड. इट इज़ क्वाइट अ कॉम्पैक्ट मोटरसाइकिल. तो जब आप इस बाइक पे बैठ जाओगे, you will really feel that it is quite tight and it is not really all that big. Yes, there is a big 3-cylinder engine over here, but it is still a compact motorcycle, so this is not going to be intimidating at all. If this is going to be your first big bike, let me tell you, आप इस बाइक को काफ़ी आसानी से समझ पाओगे and managing the weight of this motorcycle is not going to be an issue at all. Now let us very quickly talk about some crucial information. इस बाइक का wet weight है 189 kgs. Seat height is 805 millimeters. The width is 790 millimeters. The height is 1080 millimeters. And the wheelbase is 1407 millimeters. इस बाइक के साथ आपको एक 14 लीटर का फ्यूल टैंक मिलने वाला है. So if you are upgrading from the likes of a KTM 390 Duke to this Triumph Trident 660, you will be instantly at home. आपको ज़्यादा वेट डिफरेंस फील नहीं होने वाला है. Of course, it is slightly on the heavier side than the Duke 390, but on relative terms, it is going to be very easy to manage. And this bike is going to keep you very, very happy, especially inside the city and at parking speeds. So that is a big positive of this Triumph Trident 660, because this bike is targeting new buyers. It is targeting new big bike buyers. Now, since this motorcycle is the entry point to the world of Triumph big bikes, first let's talk about the ergonomics. Now, मेरी height है 5 feet 8 inches and check this out. It is very easy to swing a leg on this motorcycle and it is very easy to get off as well. Pillion section जो है वो ज़्यादा ऊंचा नहीं है. Because of this, this bike is going to be very, very accessible. And now check this out. Once I am on the saddle, I have both my feet flat on the ground, and because of this, I can manage this bike very easily, especially at parking speeds. आप इस बाइक को काफ़ी आसानी से मूव भी कर पाओगे. तो ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है आपको इस बाइक को उतर के ही धक्का देना होगा in your parking lot. So this bike is very, very easy to manage, and because it is so narrow between your legs, you can very easily stand at a signal and you will not be struggling to manage the weight of this bike. So this again is a big positive of this Triumph Trident 660, and I think that the brand has done a fantastic job of making this bike accessible and easy to understand to all types of riders. Now check this out. This is a naked roadster, so you sit nice and upright, you get a nice and wide handlebar, and you have these knee recesses over here on the fuel tank as well. So this is going to allow you to hug the motorcycle or grab the motorcycle with your legs and tip it into corners so that you get that better grip. ये जो plastic panel है, this does offer some extra bit of traction when you are pushing the bike hard in corners. So this also works in your favor when you are riding this bike aggressively. Overall, riding stance जो है काफ़ी upright है, so there is going to be no pain that you will feel on your wrist, on your elbows or on your shoulders. Everything is spot on in terms of ergonomics. If you look at the foot peg positioning, the foot pegs are rear set, so check this out. It is sporty enough. लेकिन अगर आपकी height 5 feet 10 या उससे ज़्यादा है, आपको लग सकता है that this bike is a little cramped, that this bike is a little small. For my height, I think it is doing enough justice. But if you are taller than me, then this Triumph Trident is going to be a squeeze for you, especially on long rides. Then check it out. ये जो foot pegs हैं, इस पे अगर आप इस तरीके से अपने toes position करते हो, then your boots are going to hit this section over here, this mount for the pillion foot pegs. So that is also something that you have to keep in mind. But if you are riding in a natural position, you will have no problem. But if you are of the MotoGP types, this is something that might trouble you in the long run. But that is just a finer detail. This should not make or break the deal. Overall, I am very happy, and check it out. ये जो seat है, it has this nice scoop over here. So there is enough room for you to move around on the seat when you are going out on a long ride. And there is decent amount of room for the pillion as well. लेकिन pillion जो है यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक short ride के लिए ही बैठ पाएगा, because the pillion seat is not wide and it is not really all that long. Another thing is that since this bike is very compact, you don't have too much of space to mount luggage. So that is a compromise that you will be making if you are bringing this Triumph Trident 660 home. For the pillion to feel comfortable and secure, you have these two grab rails and you also have this strap over here. Check it out. Seat जो है, seat compound is very nice and soft, and this has kept me very happy when I was riding this bike out on the highway. So do check out the ride video which we have uploaded separately. Now look at the finer details. Foot pegs पे आप देख लीजिए, you have this knurled pattern, so this is going to give you that extra bit of grip. The brake lever, however, is a little too close over here. It is a little too inside. I wish it was, positioned and pushed a little outwards, so it would have been easier to tap the brakes. You have this optional frame slider over here on this test bike that we have. And check out the overall paint scheme of this bike. You have this grey and red option on this Trident 660. आपको total 4 paint options मिल जाते हैं इस bike के साथ. And you have a lot of customization options in terms of the additional accessories which you can buy at the dealer level right when you order this motorcycle for yourself. So there is a lot of kit that you can buy for this motorcycle, and all of those are official Triumph accessories. They are tried and tested. Fuel tank आप देख लीजिए. You have the Triumph branding over here. I already showed you this plastic panel. यहाँ पे Trident की branding आपको नज़र आएगी. You have this Triumph branded fuel tank pad over here. This tank pad, it is nice and soft, rubberized feeling आपको यहाँ पे मिलने वाली है. The fuel filler cap has this Triumph branding again. The keyhole is positioned on the fuel tank. Very easy to access very quickly. And then look at the handlebar. Handlebar पे आपको right hand side पे engine kill switch मिल जाता है. It is integrated with the starter button as well. आपको एक hazard lamp switch भी दिया गया है. And by the way, this Trident 660 gets ride-by-wire technology. Brake lever जो है, इसके लिए आपको 5 levels of adjustment मिलने वाला है. But for the clutch lever, you do not have any adjustments. The levers, by the way, are forged. After that, when you look at the switch gear on the left-hand side, you will notice that there are a lot of buttons. But before we get to that, first check out the speedometer cluster. आपको इस बाइक के साथ एक full digital circular speedometer cluster मिल रहा है. And it shows you a lot of information. You have a digital tachometer, you have a digital speed readout, you have your gear position indicator, and then you have this digital display over here जहाँ पे आपको 2 trip meters मिलने वाले हैं. Then you have your fuel consumption data, you have your engine temperature, you can notice you have the date and your service interval, you have your primary odometer reading as well, you have the display intensity, brightness जो है इस display का, इसे भी आप set कर सकते हो. You can notice you have the clock, and also you can get to the main menu of this motorcycle. So you have this button over here, जिसे press करके आप बाकी सारे settings जो हैं change कर सकते हो on the display meter. So check it out. You have your riding modes shown over here, और individually आप riding modes में जाके fuel map, traction control settings को अलग अलग set भी कर सकते हो. There is another button on this switch gear over here. So check it out. When you press this, you will notice that on the speedometer cluster, you can change the riding modes of this motorcycle. You get rain and road modes on this bike, and this is a very quick access button which you can use when you are riding this bike. तो आपको बाइक रोक के riding modes change करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This is very easy to access when on the go. Handlebar पे आप देख लीजिए, on the clamp you have the Triumph branding. Plastic quality जो है switch gear की acceptable. I have no problems at all. But I think that the mirrors could have been slightly better. I think they look a little too cheap. I think the design doesn't really mingle well with the overall design theme of this Trident 660. I wish that the mirrors were round shaped, so they would have just mingled well with the headlamp unit especially. Now, since we are talking about the headlamp, come up close and check it out. You get a full LED unit, and you have this black bezel for the headlamp. Headlamp cluster जो है काफ़ी अच्छा दिखाई देता है. It looks nice and premium. And one thing is that the headlamp throw is fantastic. जब आप इस बाइक को रात को चलाने वाले हो, you will feel no need to get auxiliary lamps or just get something better for road illumination. This will keep you happy and satisfied on your long tours. Looking down, you will notice you have Showa big piston forks. You have separate function forks over here on this motorcycle. Lateral visibility के लिए आपको एक reflector भी दिया गया है. On the front mudguard as well, you can notice you have body color and the decals. You get dual disc brakes at the front and you have black finished multi-spoke alloy wheels. इस बाइक के साथ आपको Michelin Road 5 टायर्स मिल रहे हैं. We know that they offer fantastic grip, and check out the ride video where we explain to you how this bike performs, especially on this compound of rubber. Engine section जो है पूरी तरीके से blacked out है. It is not really blacked out. You can notice that it has a grey finish. So यहाँ पे भी आपको Triumph की branding नज़र आएगी. It is very tightly packaged. And because of this, the bike feels nice and compact between your legs. इस मोटरसाइकिल के साथ आप एक ऑप्शनल एक्सेसरी क्विक शिफ्टर भी खरीद सकते हो. एंड चेक इट आउट, विद दिस बाइक यू आर ओनली गेटिंग अ टो शिफ्टर. साइड स्टैंड जो है इसके लिए भी किक करने के लिए आपको ये एक्सटेंशन मिल जाता है. सो गेटिंग द साइड स्टैंड आउट इज ऑल्सो एन ईजी टास्क. यू विल नॉट बी स्ट्रगलिंग टू मच. यू विल नॉट बी फिडलिंग अराउंड दैट पेग सेक्शन टू मच. Overall, fit and finish is fantastic, typical of Triumph motorcycles, and you will really like it. With this Triumph Trident 660, you are getting an engine underbelly exhaust. It looks quite nice and it matches the bike's overall design theme. लेकिन इस बाइक का जो ground clearance है वो काफ़ी कम है. So when you are riding this bike over really nasty speed breakers, और अगर आप ज़्यादा speed carry करने वाले हो, that lower section is going to scrape on the speed breaker and it is going to hurt you in your heart. So be gentle when you are riding this bike over speed breakers. The ground clearance is in limited quantity, guys. After that, look at the tail section. A very beautiful design. You have this very clean section over here. आपको LED tail lamp मिल रहा है. Tail lamp cluster में भी आपको Triumph की branding नज़र आएगी. You can notice you have the contrast body color over here. You have this very nice tail tidy look. आपको एक छोटा सा टायर हगर भी यहाँ पे दिया गया है. Then you can notice you have the rear monoshock which has preload adjustment. And then look at the swing arm. The right hand side swing arm is designed differently compared to the left hand side because it has to accommodate this exhaust end can over here. And then you can notice you have Nissin brake calipers. You have a rear disc brake. And then you will notice that you get this additional rear tire hugger which is mounting your number plate and also these turn indicators. Check it out how it is mounted on the swing arm. Everything is quite nicely done. All the parts, all the components that are offered to you with this Triumph Trident 660, everything top quality, top notch fit and finish. So compared to the Kawasaki Z650, this bike is definitely offering you a lot. So although it is asking for more money, this Trident 660 does justify that incremental price tag. But compared to the Honda CB650R, let me tell you, the Honda is just overpriced. This makes a lot more sense. This is very usable, and even that CB650R is very compact. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो बाइक आपको एक ज़्यादा बिग बाइक फील ऑफर करने वाली है. Very quickly, let's listen to the exhaust sound of this motorcycle. Sounds very good and sounds very pleasing. आपको एक आफ्टर मार्केट एग्जॉस्ट खरीदने की कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. This sound is very easily audible inside your full faced helmet and it is not too loud. So you can have your communication system devices on, you can have a conversation with your fellow riders or when you are on a call, but this exhaust is not going to hamper that. So your audio, your voice will easily be heard by others. So that again is a good thing about this motorcycle. Talking about the finer details, you can notice that on this radiator you have this body colored panel. It is not a tank extension, it is not a tank shroud, but it is very nicely done, very neatly integrated with this radiator. This is not going to offer any kind of protection because this is just a plastic panel, but it looks quite well done in terms of design, in terms of aesthetic appeal. So Triumph has tried their best in ensuring that this bike looks like a proper premium modern motorcycle. Now if we have to nitpick and if we have to expect something more from this bike, I would say that this plastic panel could have been slightly better. It does a decent job of offering you grip, this knee recess, but it just feels too plasticky for my taste. But that's about it. There is no other problem that I have with this motorcycle. So you let me know in the comments, what is your opinion about this Triumph Trident 660? Will you consider buying this bike for yourself, for your city commutes, and also for your weekend rides? This bike is very effortless to ride inside the city, so do check out the ride video which we have, where you will get to know how tractable this bike's engine is. See you soon, guys. See you in another video. Subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel, press that bell icon, stay notified. Always ride safe, always wear your helmets, and say no to stupid stunting. Ride home safely.